In today's video, I'll show you how you can connect TransferWise to PayPal business account. So let's get started. So here we are in Wise. So you would need your bank details for the currencies here on Wise so that you could connect it with PayPal. So it would depend on which currency or bank you would like to connect into PayPal from Wise. Like for example, I'm gonna go for the um, NZD right here, or the New Zealand dollars, which is this one. I'm going to click on that. And from here, I can click here on the account details. And all that's left is to just copy all of this information and go into PayPal and click here on link a bank. And that is basically it. You just need to provide it right here. But in my case, is that it's not yet available for me because I haven't done my submission for completing my PayPal business details, since this account is just for tutorial. Same goes for my Wise account. So yeah, I can't proceed into that. But basically what would happen after you have provided your bank details here in PayPal for linking is that there would be a verification process that would happen. So PayPal will send 2 small deposits into your Wise account. So you want to check your Wise transaction history to see if it went through, and then you can return to PayPal and enter the exact deposit amount to verify that it is really yours. And after that, it will now be successfully linked here into your PayPal. So you have linked your Wise bank account here in PayPal. And that is basically how you can connect TransferWise to PayPal business account. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.